I get 4 to 5 DMs every week from individuals wanting to know what to invest in. Now, it's very hard for me to tell them to invest in a certain product or in a certain investment company because there's a lot to consider when it comes to investments. And there's so many options from ETFs, ETNs, unit trusts, bonds, commodities, precious metals, offshore accounts, tax-free investments, CFDs, endowments, banking products, forex, crypto. There's so much out there. Not every product is suited to everybody. There's so many steps involved before you even come to the point of setting up an investment portfolio. But the very first thing about investing is doing your due diligence. You got to know what's out there. You got to know your tax implications. You got to know what your investment horizon is, what your goal is. And this week on the Wealth Nation podcast, I gave you 3 things that you need to do before you start investing if you've never invested before. So go and check out that episode. It's available now on iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Music, and your favorite podcasting app.